In 2013, Voyager 1 achieved a historic milestone, becoming the first ever human-made object to enter interstellar space, accomplishing this feat 36 years after its departure from Earth. The space probe now resides astonishingly 14.5 billion miles away from Earth. As a result, the transmission and reception of messages require nearly 2 days, specifically 20 hours and 33 minutes. Engineers never could have anticipated that Voyager 1 would continue its space exploration for nearly half a century. The sophisticated instrument has done it again, this time detecting 500 unidentified objects passing by in space. World-famous podcaster Joe Rogan has joined the conversation, shedding light on the alarming implications of this extraordinary discovery. What are these mysterious objects? Could they be the handiwork of extraterrestrial beings or a malfunction on the spacecraft? Join us as we explore how Voyager 1 detected 500 unknown objects passing through space and discover Joe Rogan's thoughts on this astounding discovery. Ever wondered why, despite the unimaginable vastness of the cosmos, we haven't stumbled upon concrete proof of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations? This dilemma is called the Fermi paradox and has been a captivating mystery for scientists for centuries. However, a recent extraordinary encounter in deep space has set shockwaves through the scientific community, potentially shedding light on the age-old question of the existence of aliens. Joe Rogan, a prominent commentator and podcast host known for his keen interest in discussing aliens and the possibility of advanced civilizations, has previously hosted guests such as David Gruber and AI to explore the potential for life beyond Earth. Now, new data from Voyager may first hold the key to answering the question of whether we are truly alone in the universe. Buckle up as we will expose why Joe Rogan's announcement about Voyager 1 detecting 500 unidentified objects passing through space is a game-changer, and how it affects you, regardless of where you are in the world. But before we get into those juicy details, let's find out how the groundbreaking Voyager 1 mission was born in the first place. Isn't it mind-boggling to think that our magnificent Earth, with its vast oceans and towering mountains, is just a tiny speck in the grandeur of the universe? Philosophers have pondered this fact for centuries, but it wasn't until the 1970s that NASA scientists had the opportunity to truly grasp the scale of our cosmic neighborhood. And it all began with an accidental alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, the 4 largest planets in our solar system. In the midst of this celestial dance, a young PhD student named Gary Flandreau, working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory while pursuing his studies at the California Institute of Technology, stumbled upon a remarkable discovery. Through his meticulous calculations and charting of the orbital paths of these giant planets, Flandreau unearthed a celestial phenomenon that would change the course of space exploration. What Flandreau found was simply inspiring. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the 4 planets would align in a mesmerizing formation resembling pearls on a cosmic necklace, with Earth nestled among them. This discovery sent ripples of excitement through NASA as it presented an unprecedented opportunity to optimize the trajectory of a space probe. By cleverly utilizing the gravitational pull of each planet during flybys, a spacecraft could harness a speed boost akin to being tugged by an invisible cosmic cord that propels it forward. Flandreau's estimations suggested that these gravity assists from the giant planets could shrink the flight time between Earth and Neptune from a daunting 30 years to a mere 12 years. But there was a catch. This celestial alignment occurred only once every 176 years. Recognizing the significance of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, NASA embarked on an ambitious mission to capitalize on the planetary alignment. 2 spacecraft, christened Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were developed with identical designs and purposes. Launched just 15 days apart in the summer of 1977, these twin explorers were set on a course to unravel the mysteries of the solar system and venture into interstellar space. Voyager 1, launched on September 5, 1977, became an integral part of the Voyager space program, a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and our quest for knowledge. For nearly 5 decades, this brave traveler has forged ahead, beaming back invaluable data to Earth through NASA's Deep Space Network. It has become our eyes and ears in the vastness of space, bridging the gap between our terrestrial existence and the mysteries that lie beyond. As we marvel at Voyager 1's extraordinary journey, it's worth noting that its distance from Earth is nothing short of mind-blowing. As of August 2023, the space probe is situated an astonishing 14.5 billion miles away from our home planet Earth. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, the recent revelation unfolded. Now, let's delve into the remarkable expedition that led to the discovery of 500 previously unknown objects passing through space, and the fascinating revelation Joe Rogan provides in a recent episode of the Joe Rogan podcast. How did Voyager 1 successfully journey through space? And what special scientific instruments and subsystems were behind such success? Imagine a man-made space explorer venturing into the great unknown, conquering the forces of deep space for decades and decades. Again, that's Voyager 1 for you. This brave spacecraft has already journeyed a mind-boggling 14.5 billion miles away from our home planet Earth. Just try to wrap your head around that for a moment. It's like traveling a distance that is approximately 3.6 times the span between the Earth and the Sun every single year. But Voyager 1 is not just about its velocity, longevity, and distance. It has also gifted us with groundbreaking revelations, including its recent discovery of 500 unknown objects lurking out there in the vastness of space. These celestial entities are like nothing we've ever seen or identified before. It's a cosmic treasure trove of mysterious wonders, and we're about to dive into the details of this inspiring revelation. Now, you're probably wondering how a spacecraft that was launched way back in 1977 can still be operational and deliver such mind-blowing information. Well, the answer lies in the remarkable engineering and foresight that went into Voyager 1's design. One of the key secrets to its longevity is the presence of dual redundant computer systems. Both Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, were equipped with 2 sets of command computer subsystems, the Flight Data Subsystems, FDS, and the Attitude and Articulation Control Subsystems,